Alright, good morning guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are headed down to my parents' house. We're actually going to be working on my mom's car. Mom has a 2008 RAV4. On her RAV today we are going to be putting in a new hub. She's got a bearing that's going bad, and for reasons that are unknown to me, and maybe it's just an issue with these cars. Her car tends to eat hub bearings. This is not the first one that we put on before, so we're going to be swapping the left front. We're just going to do the entire hub. We're not going to mess with pressing a bearing out. That is today's agenda. We're all loaded up. We got air compressor and everything all in the back because Dad doesn't have a compressor. So we're gonna want to use the impact gun for this axle nut. So, anyways, we're roaming down the back roads here. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. Sorry if the audio is bad. This truck is a little bit on the loud side. So we will check in with you guys once we leave them. So we're a little worried about this spindle nut right here. I don't know if you can see this, but the threads look a little bit, I guess boogered is the best way to put it. The last shop that did this, I think that they messed the threads up and they re-threaded this axle. I'm not sure how they managed to do that. And Dad can't remember either. So I tapped it a couple times with the impact. It's moving okay back and forth. So I think we're going to be okay. I'm soaking it in some PB Blaster right now. So brake caliper has to come off, of course, and then we'll see about getting the rotor off, and then we'll go to that. Ratcheting wrenches are worth every penny you pay for them. Just got all done with Mom's car. Everything's all back together. We took it for a little test drive. Everything is all quiet now. No hub noise. So that was a good little fix. Really easy too. Just bolts. Just undo bolts, slap the new hub in, and you're done. So we're hanging out with the doggos now. But I think we're gonna probably sign off. So if you are stopping in for the first time, please subscribe to the channel below. Hit the like button if you like the video. And then try and follow me on Instagram too. Same username, Maximum Warp. So we'll catch you next time.